How intelligent are animals? We can't ask animals multiple choice questions, but we can observe their behavior. Two things researchers watch for are: do animals use tools? And can one animal teach another animal how to use a tool? These elephants were eating a banana tree. I saw the dad hitting it against his foot to soften it before eating. Mom used her knee. Maybe it's hard for her to lift her leg. And the baby was lifting and hitting its foot, just like Dad. Do you think the elephants are using a tool? Do you think the baby learned to do this from Mom and Dad? And what about this? Now, Dad is hitting the banana against a post instead of using his feet. Is this a new invention? Let's check our answer. How do we define tool? What do we need to observe to be sure the elephants are using a tool? And what do we need to observe to be sure the parents are teaching the baby how to do this? Bonus question. There's always a bonus question. If this elephant family is using a tool, and if they have taught their baby how to do this, and if only this family does this, and other elephants do not, does this elephant family have a culture? How intelligent are animals? And how can we know how intelligent animals